certain I'll be dreaming, I bet. I'll be dreaming, I bet. Didn't think that we would ever grow, but we found out when we grew up. Dreams never grow, dreams never get old. I was dreaming when I was a kid. Sometimes you'd ask, sometimes I did. Didn't know now I wouldn't remember. I know now I couldn't forget. Dreams never grow, dreams never get old. There's some dreams we might wanna remember.
September 20th, 2008, Saturday, day of the big race. This is the finals. So whoever wins today, got the most points, wins for the season. It's going to be 80 degrees. It's about 60 now. Palm wins.
Good luck. For certain, I'll be dreaming, I bet. I'll be dreaming, I bet. There's some dreams we might wanna remember. There's some dreams we might wanna forget. There's one dream for certain, I'll be dreaming, I bet.
I jumped though.
Oh. Dreams never grow, dreams never get old, dreams never grow, dreams never
I can work with that. Taylor, tell me about your playing. It's fast?
Scat cat.
Scat Cat
Eddie Jump.
is a gift from Eddie Jump. Wow, how kind of him.
Yeah. All
Should
we
be-
do is put an engine on it and a servo.
Wow.
Sonic.
Hey, show me your plane, Kelly. What is it?
It's a Sky Raider.
Sky, are you going to win today?
I'm going to try.
Well, good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
It's George's plane.
This is George's plane. Last time he flew it, the engine came off, so it's disposable for today. So we're going after him.
Good luck.
Well, I had a phone call this morning seeking help. Help.
Beep, 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 beep. Warren,
Hello.
any predictions for today's race?
No.
None?
Have fun.
Have fun.
No prediction.
Yeah.
There's going to be at least 3 crashes.
Are any predictions who is going to crash?
Everybody. Well, that airplane right there is totally history.
Who's the pilot?
That'd be George.
Help.
Venom fuselage with a Viper wing.
Good luck today, Randy the racer.
These clear places I put on my fuselage. You
Oh,
can
up
see
here?
Inside. Yeah.
Oh, well, isn't that
And
clever?
look at my fuel tank. You can even see my fuel tank.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Is this a your idea kind of thing?
Yeah. And look at the wheels.
Wow.
They're electric wheels.
Wow, those are like Krager's for an airplane, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's
Goes
very
quite a bit
cool.
faster with those wheels.
It's expected from Randy the racer.
Yeah.
It's Mr. C.
Mr. C.
Do you have any predictions for today's race?
Yeah. I'm just gonna kind of hang back there, and when the time is right, I'm gonna sneak in there and take the lead and hopefully get up there in the points.
Do you have any racing secrets you'd like to share?
Well,
Yeah, I'm gonna try a new Eindecker muffler bearing.
Is that German?
Eindecker?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sounds German. So you think that'll do the trick for people wanting to get into this sport?
Well, I'm always trying something different. That's why they call me the cheater.
Oh, is that where you got that nickname from?
No, because I'm always trying something. But yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So any predictions for today's race?
Well, number 1, Mr. C.
Oh yeah?
I'll be there.
Is there a little money kitty who's going to win the kitty or anything like that going on today?
Oh, might buy somebody a pop or something if they take first place.
Oh, legal kind of thing, huh? Oh, okay. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Sammy the Barker's seeking shade. Hi, Sammy.
You'll get a lot of attention out of him when you get the hot dogs out.
Yeah. These are Kelvin's planes.
The last race I got taken out from behind, and so I put some eyes on there so I can see them coming.
Oh. Now, you've been so kind to go down there and be the official turn marshal all season long. Thank you. Did you have any close calls, planes coming close to you?
We've had some crashes right in front.
Right in front of you. Oh, it's kind of scary, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. You kind of get used to it. You just have to be fast and jump up if one crash is close.
So, any predictions for who will win these races today?
Oh, no.
No?
No, I just count us.
Well, thank you again, and you always bring such good cookies and brownies and stuff.
Thank you, and these are the mascots.
Yes. Haley and Lexi.
Lexi and Haley, say hi.
Hello. Hi there. Tallman, the leader of the pack, race coordinator extraordinaire. Thank you for doing this all season and last season and
Last race.
hopefully seasons to come.
Yeah, we're already planning for next year.
Yeah. You're gonna add some
Add more events.
3-pole racing next year.
I don't know.
Have any questions for Mike, Victor?
Can I borrow my collar? I'm going to fly one.
I was getting a commentary from Mike. Do you have any predictions for today's races, Mike?
No, I sure don't. There's a tight race in Sonic for first place, and there's 2 people tied for points. Of course, it's like a 4-way tie in Sonic. So today's going to shake it out.
It's not a very tight shot.
That better?
Okay, everybody, like, hold up your thumbs. Like, thumbs up. Stop it, Eddie. Go to your room.
Now take some still pictures, Carol.
Yeah, I will.